Good afternoon, 7th graders. Today we are going to be working on creating tables. The substitute teacher should have handed out a Word Creating Tables document to you. As you look at this document, know that you will be duplicating exactly what I have already done. There are two things you need to keep in mind. For table number 1, you need to copy mine exactly. The borders, the text, everything needs to be the same. Don't worry too much about the font choice. For number 2, all of the information is going to be the same, but you can alter the look and design of the table. Let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to go up to File, New, and create a new document. At this time, I am going to insert my tables. You need to go up to Insert, Table, and decide how many columns and rows you will need to insert. I know that this one had 3 columns, so I'm going to go ahead and choose a 3-column table. Don't worry too much about the rows because I will show you how easy it is to insert more. When you choose to insert the table, notice that a new Table Tools tab comes up. There is a design area which you can use a lot more on number 2, table number 2, and also a layout option. We're going to go to layout, and I'm going to go and show you at this time this area right here: insert above, below, insert left, and insert right. So if you did forget to insert more rows, you can go ahead and do that here, or you can also hit the tab key on your keyboard to insert more rows. At this time, you will go ahead and insert the information exactly the way I have it in the table. In Table 1, in the first cell, the word name in capital letters is there. Then it says position and extension. I'm going to move to the next row. The name is Bill Adair. He is a marketing manager, and his extension is 8341. I'm not going to type in the rest because I would like to give you some time to see how this works. You can see by my example that this first row also needs to be centered and underlined. I also want you to pay attention to the alignment. Look at table number 1. How is the font and the text aligned? In the first one, the name column, it is aligned to the left, so this would be correct. You can see that it's set to left. The second one, it is also aligned to left, and that's already set. The third one is different. It is aligned to the center, so I will need to change the alignment. Pay careful attention to the alignment in table number 2. Now, once you have all of your information in, we also need to add the title. So to do that, to get our cursor back up above the table, we need to click in cell 1 and hit the Enter key to move our table down so that we can type Richmond Sales Office Directory. And that is also centered. Now, lastly, this one needs to look exactly like mine, and you can see that there are no borders on mine. So if I click on the table again and I go to the Design tab, there is a Borders option. I need to highlight my table and click on the borders and choose No Border for this table. Now it appears that there are borders there, but when you print, they will not show up. For the second table, you may do whatever you'd like. You can also play with the Design tab and notice that there are multiple designs here for tables, and you can choose one of those if you'd like to. I'm going to undo that, or you can actually do your own shading and create your own colors in here. So maybe I want to do a phantom type table in this one. Okay. Again, you're going to copy these tables exactly, remembering that the first one should look exactly like mine, and the second one you can design however you'd like. The information should be the same in both. Have a great day.